Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Amber. For any of you joining along for the first time, today's Plan With Me video is going to be in the Social Light Planner. I got this on clearance from Hobby Lobby. I was really excited, along with one of these sticker books to go with it, the Social Lights. So I'm going to use this sticker book for my planner setup for the week, and possibly maybe this one. I got this in one of my Hobby Lobby hauls about a week ago at this point. It's really cute. They have a whole bunch of super cute stickers in here, and I've been using them with my planning so far. So I got my little appointment reminders for some stuff that I got to make sure I incorporate it into my planning for the week. Excuse my voice, you guys. I think I'm coming down with some type of sickness. My two youngest were actually sick for the whole week. So I hope I'm not getting it because I'm actually starting a new job. Yay, exciting. I still will be doing YouTube. I'm only doing this job part-time. So don't worry, you still will see plenty of me on YouTube. I'm just going to be working early mornings at this job. And for most of you, if you've been watching for a while, you'll know that I also do a cleaning job on the weekend. So I've been doing that. That's only a couple hours on the weekend, so it hasn't been nothing major. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my layout down, get everything removed, and then we're gonna jump right into this planning video. Can you guys believe it is the last week of February? I'm excited because I will have my birthday in 2 weeks. I will be 28, slowly approaching 30. Actually, no, I'm vastly approaching 30. Now I'm going to go ahead and get started on my layout, and then I'll come back at the end and show you guys the completed look. Is my completed layout. I think it turned out super cute and it's very functional. I will go in afterwards and fill in as needed for this week. Like I said, I don't got much going on. Tuesday, where it says special day, is Lincoln's field trip, and then on Wednesday I have parent teacher conference, and then Thursday is my first day of work. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big old thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I love all of you and thank you for your support. I'll see you in my next video.